Alright guys, Out of the Box Breaks doing another personal box here for 09-23-2003, aka Jim. 2015-16 OPG Platinum. Let's keep that luck going. Nice first box for you. Thanks buddy, I got it as well. Grant Fuhr, Retro. Marquee Rookie, Malcolm Subban. And number 32 out of 149, Red Prism, Radim Verbata. And Sergei Plotnikov, Marquee Rookie. Another Penguin for you. Jonathan Quick, White Ice, out of 199. And Max Domi, Marquee Rookie. Get all White Ice, Gabriel Landeskog, numbered 107 out of 199. Oh, there he is again. Getting a little Ehlers collection. Rookie Auto, Nikolai Ehlers. Nick Shore, Marquee Rookie. We got a Retro Rookie Rainbow, Nikolai Ehlers. And Zachary Fucali, Marquee Rookie. Yep, it's a must now. We got a Tracks Parallel, PK Subban. Jacob De La Rose, Marquee Rookie. Ryan Johansson, All-Star Tracks Parallel. Team Logo Die Cut, Pavel Datsyuk. Marquee Rookie, Jonas Dunskoy. Trophied Talent, Martin Brodeur. Mike McCarron, Marquee Rookie. John Van Wiesbroek, Tracks Parallel. Nicholas Patan, Retro Rookie. I personally haven't pulled any myself, like hit any. Vladimir Tarasenko, Retro, and Marquee Rookie, UC Saros. I don't know if the guys have in any of their breaks or not, but 1 in 16,000. Holy smokes. Retro Rookie, Ryan Hartman. And Garrett Sparks, Marquee Rookie. Jonathan Taves, retro. Marquee rookie, Nicholas Patan. Getting a whole Winnipeg collection going. Dylan Larkin, retro rookie. Team logo die cut, Tyler Ennis. And marquee rookie, Matt Murray. There you go. Bo Horvat. Hey, it's worth a shot. You never know. Rainbow. Marquee rookie Rainbow, UC Saros. And marquee rookie, Connor McDavid. I'll rip through and try to grab a couple of them out for you, bud. There's one. That was easy. Rainbow Nazem Kadri. Marquee rookie Mikko Rantanen. And final pack here, bud. Rainbow Jason Pominville. And Andreas Athanasiou, marquee rookie. All right, and that's it for another personal box for you, Jim. Congrats, buddy.